In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly log out of Microsoft OneDrive on a PC. Whether you're sharing your computer or simply need to switch accounts, this process ensures your personal files remain private. So let's get started on logging out of OneDrive smoothly and efficiently in just a few minutes. First, locate the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar. If you're using Windows, you'll typically find it on the bottom right corner, nestled among other icons. Clicking on this cloud icon is step one and opens up a small window that provides access to OneDrive's quick settings and status details. Next, you'll see a small menu appear, and from here, click on Settings. This option will guide you to a more detailed settings menu for OneDrive, where you can manage various preferences and options related to your account and syncing choices. In the settings menu, you'll notice multiple tabs at the top. What we want is the section titled Account. Clicking on this tab gives you control over account-specific actions, including the ability to manage linked devices. Now, once you're in the Account Settings tab, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Clicking this option is important because it severs the connection between your computer and your OneDrive account. Remember, unlinking your PC doesn't delete files from your computer, it merely stops the syncing process. After you click Unlink this PC, a confirmation message will appear. This step is crucial to ensure that you truly want to unlink your account. Click on Unlink Account to confirm and complete the logout process. Doing so will unbind your PC from the OneDrive account, effectively logging you out of OneDrive on this particular device. Once you've confirmed unlinking, OneDrive will automatically prompt you with an option to sign back in if you ever want to start using it again. This makes it easy for you to log back into OneDrive using the same or a different account whenever you're ready. But for now, you've successfully logged out, ensuring your files remain secure when you're not actively using the program. And there you have it. Logging out of Microsoft OneDrive on a PC is quite straightforward once you know where to look and how to navigate the settings. Now you can share your computer without worrying about unintended access to your cloud files, or simply switch between accounts as needed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.